In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a midplane in Fusion 360. A midplane is a very useful construction feature that lets you place a reference plane perfectly centered between two faces or planes in your model. This is especially helpful when you want to mirror sketches, mirror features, or keep your designs perfectly symmetrical. The best part is that creating a midplane in Fusion 360 only takes a few clicks once you know where to find the tool. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can follow along easily. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Fusion 360 tips and tutorials. Now let's jump straight into Fusion 360 and get started. First, open your design in Autodesk Fusion 360. This can be any model where you want to place a plane exactly between two faces. For example, this might be a part where you want to mirror features from one side to the other, or maybe you want a sketch directly in the center of a component. Once your design is open, take a look at the toolbar at the top of the screen. Fusion 360 includes a section called Construct, which contains several tools used for creating reference geometry like planes and axes. Click on Construct, and from the drop-down menu, choose the option called Midplane. As soon as you select the midplane tool, Fusion 360 will prompt you to select two faces or planes that will define where the new construction plane should be placed. The first thing you need to do is select the first face or plane. This could be a flat face on your model or even an existing construction plane. Simply click on the surface you want to use as the first reference. After selecting the first face, Fusion will now ask you to select the second face or plane. Click on the opposite face or the second reference surface you want to use. Fusion 360 will instantly preview a construction plane that sits exactly halfway between the two selections. This preview helps you confirm that the plane is being created in the correct position. Once you are happy with the preview, go ahead and click OK in the dialog box. Fusion 360 will now generate a construction plane that is perfectly centered between the two faces or planes you selected. You can now use this midplane for sketches, mirroring geometry, or creating symmetrical features across your design. Here's a helpful tip. Midplanes are commonly used when you want to mirror sketches or features so your design stays perfectly balanced and symmetrical. Instead of manually measuring the center, Fusion automatically calculates the exact midpoint for you, which saves time and keeps your models precise. And that's how you create a midplane in Fusion 360. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Fusion 360 tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.